What is up, everybody? So it's Wednesday. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then Thursday, we're kind of looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 total on Thursday if everything goes well. Because it is dry here. Are you guys having a dry spell? It is very dry in September. So, give you an update. I gotta install some cleats on my boat. We gotta do last of the paperwork and send it in and take it from there. Next year I will be out on the water. That is my goal. And especially in September, it's been like really nice weather. It would be amazing to be on the water in September next year. But anyways, I'm gonna check this one yard out, because this could flop real quick, guys. I'm gonna go to these yards, but you never know, they might be burnt out. But anyways, I will see you guys later on in the video. Here's some footage of the John boat at the house. Peace. What is up, everybody? So today is hopefully getting some new tires for the trailer. So it's been raining like crazy. Give you guys a heads up. It's draining right now. I'm gonna get these tires off. So yeah, tons of rain. After it gets done draining, I'm gonna get these, hopefully get some new tires today. That's the goal. Isn't she beautiful? 1436. I painted all this. Got an awesome lock. I booted too. I booted the old John boat. It's been doing this for the last 10 minutes, it feels like. So yeah, I need to update a tarp too. There's a lot of holes in this thing. And I was an idiot and I didn't tilt it up. It's all good. We're at the Farm Fresh. Got a little bit of pizza. I'm gonna take a little bit of a pit stop break. One yard didn't need it. I gotta go to this other yard, check it out. I'm pretty sure it's gonna need it. Surprisingly, guys, have you guys been making a little bit of money? A lot of people are calling off though. A lot of people are calling off. Stuff's just burnt out, dude. Grass is brown as shit. It's whatever. We got a truck pulling in here at the old Farm Fresh, but Hunt's Pizza. You guys ever had this? It's pretty good. But anyways, I'm gonna try to film. I'm gonna get one of these yards. I'll give you a little bit of film, and then I'm gonna post this video next September. I hope I'm in that water filming, giving you guys some footage. So I gotta get back to work. Peace. gotta find a spot to film. Let's try this spot. Let's try this, guys. We'll try that out for a little bit.